Hello friends, today's our topic is kinetic theory of an ideal gas. Basically in this theory, if we have one cylinder container and in this cylinder container we filled one gas inside it, so we have many molecules of that gas, right? Okay, so this container is tightly packed. So if this gas is filled with some pressure, because this gas has some pressure, right? So molecule inside this gas are just randomly moving inside. Because of that random motion and very speed of that molecules, these molecules atoms are so many times collide with each other in so lesser time, right? So they are collide with wall of the container as well as consecutive molecules, means with each other, right? So there are so many collisions. So how we can find here collisions or momentum or speed of that molecule, right? So we have to find all the terms in average term. So is, for example, if we are find momentum, we have to take average of it. For example, if this container remains as constant, it is at rest, but inside these molecules, these atoms are in random motion. So if we assume that atoms, majority of atoms are just moving right hand side direction, so what happens? This cylinder hole itself moving right hand side direction, but this is can't happen because this container is at rest now. So actually what happens, we just assume that, but actually here right hand side molecules which are moving inside this gas similar as that molecules which are left hand side moving, means right hand side motion is equal to left hand side motion, both are same. That's why this container will be at rest. So actually it is not the number of 50 are going this direction, 50 are going in opposite direction, but momentum, we are relate this term with the momentum, because right hand side momentum is equal to left hand side momentum. There may be differ in numbers, but momentum remains always constant. So how momentum remains always constant? If 50 are going right hand side direction, only 25 going left hand side direction, but that 50 have lesser in mass, lesser in velocity, but that 25 have higher in mass, higher velocity. That's how this container will be in equilibrium, right? So we need to think about in that way, right? So that's our topic, guys. That's it for today now. Thank you very much.